Directions. Question number 76 to 77. In each of the following questions, out of the given alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given word or sentence. So, one word substitution. Question number 76 is a person interested in reading books and nothing else. Options are student, bookworm, scholar, bookkeeper. Everybody knows, sir. Bookworm is the answer. Fine. So, this is the answer. Okay. Now, only one meaning you people should know. Scholar meaning that person who has some knowledgeable knowledge of any subject. So, in that case, sir, one better synonym will be erudite for that. Erudite, erudite for that. Okay. So, for 76, B, bookworm is our answer. Question number 77, under the same direction, one word substitution. Fine. So question number 77 is a book or picture produced merely to bring in money. A book or picture produced merely to bring in money. Okay. So options are money spinner, pot hook, pot boiler, bluebird. Okay. So let us know the meanings one by one. Bluebird is a type of fruit eating bird, actual bird, okay, from Europe, sir. Bluebird. Okay. Pothook is an A A S-shaped hook. Fine. A S-shaped hook. Fine. Next one, sir. Pot boiler is our answer. Pot boiler is our answer. Money spinner meaning is cash cow or a money maker. Okay. Money maker. So question is a book or picture produced merely to bring in money. Answer is pot boiler. Answer is pot boiler. So for 77, C is the answer. For 77, C is the answer. Directions 78 to 80. In each of the following questions, choose the synonym of the given word. Okay. So first question is knavery. Okay, K is there like tsunami or noceophobia, like that, sir. K is there. Knavery. Okay. Heroism, cowardice, dishonesty, stupidity. So knavery meaning, sir, dishonest or someone who cheats, actually cheating. Fine. So obviously what the synonym we are getting, sir? Dishonesty. Fine. So for 78, C is the answer. Let us know other meanings also. Stupidity meaning here everybody knows. Cowardice meaning lacking courage. Okay. And heroism, everybody knows hero type, but a better word is, sir, valor. VALOUR, valor. So, sir, knavery, the synonym is dishonesty. Knavery, the synonym is dishonesty. Question number 79, under the same direction, synonym. Okay. Word is truncate, and options are cancel, act cruelly, cut off, end swiftly. Okay. So, truncate meaning is cutting short or cut off. Options are cancel, cut off, act cruelly, end swiftly. Everybody is getting, sir, cut off, as I already written the meaning also. So cut off for 79 is the answer. So for 79C, cut off is our answer. Question number 80, under the same direction, synonym. Okay. So graphic is the word, and options are squarish, geometrical, pictorial, and mathematical. So let us know the meaning of the word graphic first. Graphic meaning is pictorial or vivid, okay, or something engraved, engraved, engraved. Option is squarish. First option, squarish, meaning is square type, meaning is almost a square type. Geometrical, non presentation or non representation of anything. Fine. Mathematical, pictorial, everybody knows, sir, as I have written already, pictorial, graphical. Okay, so pictorial is our answer for graphic. So pictorial is the answer for graphic. Okay, so for 80, C is the answer. Directions 81 to 82. Pick out the word that is most nearly the opposite in meaning of the given word in capitals. Okay, so the word is given here glut, and as they have asked opposite, so antonym. Okay, options are lack, rake, dredge, and supply. First, let us know the meaning of glut is oversupply. Is over supply. Lack meaning rake is there. Rake meaning peach or peach blood, or another one is prof- profligate. Fine. Another one. Dredge meaning dragging. Okay. Or cover before cooking. Dredge meaning dragging, one meaning is dragging, and another one is covering before cooking. Supply, everybody knows. Now, sir, supply is one kind of synonym for the word glut. So you are not supplying. So what will happen, sir? Lack of things will happen. So answer is lack, option number A. Okay, so for 81A is our answer. So for 81A, lack is our answer. Question number 82, under the same direction, opposite or antonym. Okay, word is aromatic. Options are tart, disagree, sour, and odorous. Aromatic meaning everybody knows fragrant. Another far better meaning is also there, sir. Redolent. Okay. Tart meaning is sour in taste or tangy in taste. As sir everybody knows, there is a pastry called lemon tart, so the taste is sour, okay, or tangy taste. Sour meaning rise rapidly. Fine. Disagree meaning here everybody knows. Odorous meaning ill smelling, or another one is stinky. Fine now. So aromatic is beautiful fragrance, and here we are getting odorous. Odorous is the answer for this one. So for 82D, odorous is the word. So for 82D, odorous is the word or antonym. Okay. Directions. Question number 83 to 85. In each sentence below, there are two blank spaces, and below each sentence, some pairs of words are given, which are numbered A, B, C, and D. Pick out the most appropriate pair to fill in the blanks in the same order to complete the sentence meaningfully. So, question from fillers. Question number 83. It is dash that those who expect dash from others are seldom merciful themselves. Okay. So options are stupid sympathy, repulsive compassion, strange sincerity, paradoxical clemency. Fine, sir. So stupid meaning here everybody knows. Sympathy meaning also everybody knows, but still I'm writing down one. Fellow feeling. Okay, fine. Repulsive meaning is offensive. Repulsive meaning is offensive. Another better word is abhorrent. Clear everybody? And there is a word compassion is pity. Paradoxical meaning is self-centered person or self-contradictory, self-contradictory or inexplicable. Self-contradictory, self-sufficiency or inexplicable. Clemency meaning mildness, or simply sir, mercy. Okay. Strange meaning everybody knows, and sincerity, earnestness. Fine. And strange meaning unusual. So let us read. It is dash that those who expect dash from others. It is dash. It is paradoxical. Okay. It is paradoxical that those who expect clemency from others are seldom merciful themselves. Meaning, sir, Some particular persons who are actually self-contradictory, and those who expect mercy from others are seldom merciful themselves. Okay, so for 83D, paradoxical and clemency is the answer. So for 83D, paradoxical and clemency is the answer. Question number 84 under the same direction. He was dash or playing dash and lose with the sentiments of his dearest friends. Options are complained thick, accused tight, innocent false, guilty first. Accused meaning, let us know, criminate or impeach. Tight meaning everybody knows. Guilty, everybody knows the meaning actually, but one synonym for this one, sir. Hang dog or shame faced. Okay, other meanings you people already know. So let us check, sir. He was accused of playing. He was accused of playing tight and loose with the sentiments of his dearest friends. Okay, meaning he was actually playful towards his dearest friends, so he was accused right now. So for 84B is the answer. So for 84B, accused and tight is the answer. Question number 85 under the same direction. The new principal dash stress on routine administration dash than on academic matters and examination reforms. Options are released only, began and even, started and further, late and rather. Okay, so let us know one phrasal verb for began, sir. Get down or set about. Get down or set about. There is a word laid. Laid meaning set or arranged. Okay, rather meaning everybody knows that is instead. Fine. So the new principle laid stress on routine administration rather than, sir, as than is there, we can take rather. So rather than on academic matters and examination reforms. So principal lays stress on routine administration. So that is a D option. 85 answer is D, laid and rather. 85 answer is D, laid and rather. Directions. Question number 86 to 88. In each of the following questions, some alternatives are suggested for the idioms of phrase in bold in the sentence. Choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the idioms of phrase in bold. So question number 86. Shweta might scream blue murder, but I feel Ritu should get the promotion since she is better qualified for the job. Options are suffer from persecution complex, try to prove herself as more suited to the job, regard it as an act of partiality, and make a great deal of noise and object vehemently. Okay, so Shweta is actually making what, sir? Make a great deal of noise and object, meaning she knows everything but actually don't. So that's why, sir, make a great deal of noise and object vehemently. Vehemently meaning is, sir, violently or strongly. Fine. Someone is violently or strongly saying that that person knows everything, but actually someone else is better qualified for the job. So scream blue murder meaning make a great deal of noise and object vehemently. Clear? So for 86D is the answer. So for 86D is the answer. Question number 87 under the same direction, meaning of idioms and phrase. So at Christmas, even the elderly fathers paint the town red. So at Christmas, even the elderly fathers paint the town red. Options are indulge in rioting, paint the houses red, spill red wine, have a lively time. So paint the town red meaning, sir, have a lively time. Okay, so even the elderly people also enjoying. Okay, so for 87D is the answer. So for 87D is the answer. Question number 88 under the same direction, meaning of idioms and phrase. In almost every party, my friend tries to rule the roost. Options are to make friends, to domineer, to remain aloof, to become popular. Domineer meaning is, asserting arrogance or showing arrogance. And after showing arrogance, dominating. So in almost every party, my friend tries to rule the roost. This is the meaning is to Dominia. Okay, why Dominia? Roost is a type of bird or hen type of, and you are ruling that one. So you are showing arrogance towards everybody. Clear? So for 88B is the answer. So for 88B is the answer. Directions. Question number 89. In the following question, a passage consists of six sentences. The first and the final sentences are given in the beginning. The middle four sentences in each have been removed and jumbled up. These are labeled as P, Q, R, and S. You are required to find out the proper sequence of the four sentences and mark accordingly. So simply sentence rearrangement. S1 is the general statement and S6 is the most specific statement. I already told every day. Okay, answer. Let us read. But how does a new word get into the dictionary? Next, let us take P. When a new dictionary is being edited, a lexicographer collects all the alphabetically arranged citation slips for a particular word. Fine. After that, let us check number 2 only. The dictionary makers notice it and make a note of it on a citation slip. Okay. After that, sir, the moment a new word is coined, it usually enters the spoken language. Okay, after that, let us take 4 number. The word then passes from the realm of the hearing to the realm of writing, and then he sorts them according to their grammatical function and carefully writes a definition. So for 89, PQRS is the answer. Actually, it is already arranged in the proper way. Simply PQRS for 89 is the answer. Directions. Question number 90. In the following, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. From the given alternative, choose the sentence that changes that sentence into direct or indirect. So, sir, here question from narration. So the sentence is already in direct speech. Fine. Okay. So Piyush said, "What a splendid beauty it is." Okay. At the end, what is there, sir? At the end, exclamatory sign is there. At the end, exclamatory sign is there. Option, sir. Piyush exclaimed that it was a splendid beauty. Piyush asked that it was a splendid beauty. Piyush ordered that it was a splendid beauty. Piyush directed that it was a splendid beauty. As there is a exclamatory sign, sir. Asked, ordered, directed, all are wrong. We can't take it. So normally, Piyush exclaimed that it was a splendid beauty. That's all is the answer here. Okay. So for 90, A is the answer. For 90A, Piyush exclaimed that it was a splendid beauty is the answer. Directions. Question number 91. In the following, a sentence has been given in active or passive voice. From the given alternatives, choose the sentence that changes the sentence into active or passive voice. So let us read the sentence. Kindly vacate the room as soon as possible. Fine. So what is here, everybody? Kindly is there. Okay. Kindly meaning request. Fine. Kindly meaning someone is requesting. So A, you are requested to vacate the room as soon as possible. You are directed to vacate the room as soon as possible. You are made to vacate the room as soon as possible. You are suggested to vacate the room as soon as possible. What I told, kindly meaning requesting. Directed is wrong, made is wrong, suggested is wrong. So here A is the option. You are requested to vacate the room as soon as possible. So this is the answer, everybody. Fine. So for 91A is the answer. So for 91A is the answer. Directions. Question number 92 to 94. In the following question, some of the sentence have errors, some have none. Find out which part of a sentence has an error. The number of that part is your answer. If there is no error, answer will be no error. That is D. Fine. So let us read. Several guests noticed Mr. Sharma collapsing in his chair and gasping for breath. Okay. So several guests noticed, no problem. Mr. Sharma, what was like the thing is noticed Mr. Sharma collapsing in his chair and gasping, and is there, na sir? So after that, ing before that, ing, no problem. So here no error is the answer. Okay. So in this case, no error is the answer. So several guests noticed someone or Mr. Sharma collapsing in his chair and gasping for breath. Read like this. If you will read continuously, sir, people will think, let us put was or were there. Okay, past continuous, but nothing will be there. Read like this. Several guests noticed Mr. Sharma collapsing in his chair and gasping for breath. Okay, so no error. D is the answer. For 92, D is our answer. Question number 93 under the same direction. This is our second remainder, and we are much surprised at receiving no answer from you. This is our second remainder, and we are much surprised at receiving no answer from you. So, and we are much surprised at receiving no answer from you. So, there is no error in this. How, sir? This is our second remainder. Stop here. And we are much surprised. Is here. R is here. Fine. No problem of tense. And this is our second reminder, meaning first reminder already given. This is a second reminder. And after that also, this person has not given any kind of answer. So, and we are much surprised at receiving no answer from you. So, our answer will be no error, sir. So, again, for 93, D option, no error is the answer. Question number 94 under the same direction. The opposition appear to be in meltdown mode following the BJP's sweeping victory in the Lok Sabha election. So the opposition is here. All the opposition parties in a total mode. So the opposition appear. Opposition is singular here. Why singular? Because sir, different opposition parties are there. Fine, but they are right now in one place. Okay, so the opposition answer will be appears to be in meltdown mode following the BJP's sweeping victory in the Lok Sabha election. Okay, so there is a problem in A part as it will be appears. Fine, it will be appears. Clear? So for 94, A is the answer. So for 94, A is the answer. The opposition appears to be in meltdown mode following the BJP's sweeping victory in the Lok Sabha election. Fine. So A is the answer for 94. Directions. Question number 95. In the following question, choose the wrongly spelled word. Options are pedestrian, laboratory, human, and equanimous. Fine, sir. So as we are getting, sir, pedestrian is written. Na? Pedestrian will be our answer. So simply here one I will be there. That's all. So the whole thing is like this. Pedestrian. Fine. So that is the word. So 95A is wrong. Pedestrian is wrongly spelled. So for 95A is the answer. Let us know the meaning, sir. Pedestrian meaning is earthbound. Fine. Another far better meaning is prosaic. Okay. Or simple walking or walker who walks on the earth. Fine, sir. Humane meaning humanistic. Or civilized. Fine. Laboratory, everybody knows, sir, where research work is going on. Equanimous meaning is collected or composed. Fine. So, sir, for 95A, pedestrian is the answer as I is not there. Okay. Directions. Question number 96 to 100. In the following passage, some of the words have been left out. First, read the passage over and try to understand what it is about. Then fill in the blanks with the help of the alternatives given. So, let us read, sir. Pythons are dash non-venomous snakes found dash in damp places or rocky ledges near marshes or in dense dash. They are considered to be the most primitive dash the living snakes. Dash they retain the traces of hind limbs. Fine. So for 96, small, tiny, cute, huge. Okay. So pythons, everybody knows, sir. Huge non-venomous snakes found dash in damp places. For 97, options are mostly, rarely, occasionally, hardly. Occasionally meaning everybody knows that is irregular way. Okay, so let us check. Pythons are huge non-venomous snakes found mostly, fine sir, found mostly in damp places or rocky ledges, near marshes or in dense dash. Okay, so for 98, cities, jungles, hills, towns. Now, obviously, sir, near marshes it happened, and another one dense jungles only for 98B option. Okay, so again, let us read. Pythons are huge non-venomous snakes found mostly in damp places or rocky ledges near marshes or in dense jungles. Okay, then they are considered to be the most primitive dash options are between, in, among, over. Among meaning in the middle of, that everybody knows. Okay, so let us read once again. They are considered to be the most primitive among, okay, among the living snakes, meaning they are the most primary one in between the all kinds of snakes. Okay, so for 99, among the living snakes, then again dash, they retain the traces of hind limbs. Okay, so for 100, so, because, and, but. So primitive among the living snakes, then sir, 100 number is because 100 number is because they retain the traces of hind limbs. Fine. So let us read once again. Pythons are huge for 96D. Okay, huge. Non-venomous snakes found dash in damp. So mostly in damp places or rocky ledges near marshes or in dense jungles. They are considered to be the most primitive among the living snakes. Then, sir, after that, because they retain the traces of hind limbs. Okay, so all total 96D, 97A, 98B, 99C, 100B is the answer for this closed test.